Hey, what's up? It's your girl Flawless Lex. I am back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I lay my lace frontal wigs. So make sure you stay tuned if you want to see that. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get this poppin'. As y'all can see, I'm using some stockings. It's like somewhat my skin tone, but not really. And I'm just going to be applying it to my head. Y'all can actually use like a real stocking for your head, like actual wig cap, but like I think this is better because it's more thin. So next I'm taking the Got To Be Glue gel, the yellow one, and then the Got To Be Glue gel, the black one, which is technically clear in a bottle or whatever, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, and I'm taking a spray, and I'm actually going to be mixing those three things together. And I'm pretty sure y'all can like find this, all three of these at like Walmart or like Dollar General or like CVS. So now I'm actually taking that and I'm putting it towards the end of the edge of the stockings, my forehead, to make sure that part is flat in the front. So yeah, and I'm focusing mainly towards the front because you really want to make sure that part is flat, like really flat, like seamless, you know. So yeah, so it should be looking something like this so far. And of course, I didn't push all of my hair back, like you can still see my baby hairs, but like once I put the wig on, you're not really gonna be able to see it. So it's like I don't really care. And plus, I already know how to like take this off without ripping my edges out. So if you don't know how to take this off without ripping your edges off, I don't suggest you do this. But yeah, so it should be looking something like this. So I'm just laying it down, and I'm pretty much done with that part, I think. I gotta do the other side. So now I'm just about to blow dry it, and I'm actually gonna put it on cool. I mean, to be honest, before I ended up doing it on hot, and it wasn't that big of a deal. Like it didn't, you know, do much. It just made the process faster for me. But like a lot of people like it on cool. So yeah, it's really up to you. It don't really matter to me. Now I'm just cleaning up the excess gel that's on my forehead. But if you do that, make sure you don't take off the gel that's on the actual stocking part. Now I'm just taking some skinny tweezers instead of some scissors, because at the time I couldn't even find my scissors, so I ended up taking some tweezers. It's the real skinny ones too, not the like thicker ones. It's the skinny ones, the pointy ones. And yeah, as y'all can see, I'm kind of doing the Glamazon Tay method. But yeah, and my hair is like poking out, but it's fine. I mean, that part you won't really be able to see that part in a wig. So yeah, now I'm taking a gel and I'm gelling that part down again. Now I believe for this part, this is where I want the gel to actually be tacky, so that I'm able to lay down the wig. So I'm about to blow dry it again. The first layer, that was just to make sure the stockings or whatever is laid down flat. The second layer, that's to make sure it's tacky so you can put the wig on. And I know my wig is looking messed up. I already know. Y'all don't have to tell me. I already know that. But now I'm just applying the wig right now. For the most part, it was pretty easy, but the hard part was really just like the ear tabs, like towards the area by the ears. That's always the hardest part for me. I think a lot of people. But yeah. So now I'm just brushing out the hair. I can see the freaking hair coming up on the side. So now I'm doing the other side to make sure that's laying down flat. And I'm pushing the hair in to make sure it's secured. Now I'm about to cut the little stockings that's around my ear. So yeah, I'm still trying to lay down them edges or the ear tabs area. Oh my goodness, my wig look busted. But you know what, I'm gonna get it together. I don't know if y'all can see this, but like my skin is glowing on this camera. Like glowing. So now I think I'm about to try to lay down them ear tabs better because they just kept like getting up. So that's what I'm about to do. Look at it, it just don't want to stay down. So I'm just taking some more gel. And I think it was the clear kind. Yeah, I think it was the clear gel. Now I'm just clearing up my forehead again because I still seeing like some leftover residue. And now I'm just about to brush my hair. Oh my goodness, my wig just look busted, y'all. But like I still look fine, so whatever. And I think after I did this, I ended up straightening the hair because before I didn't straighten it, it was like already straight. But after I did this video, I ended up straightening the hair like some more so it can look better. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like these videos. And so yeah, make sure you're gonna check out my other videos, y'all. And that was about it. I love y'all. Oh, look at me, I look cute. I look cute. But yeah. Okay, sis, hurry up. Like, seriously, like, hurry up. Like, hurry up. Alright, bye.